Now here we come with some more options for the formatting. For example, when I click here more number formats, you click here, a pop-up window will come like this. We have already seen journal, number. In number you can choose also from here, like up to what decimal place you want, like 2, 3, or you want 0. You can see the examples below. For example, I select 1, 2, 3. So this is how number works. When I click on currency, in currency we have seen that how we can convert this particular amount into rupees. Similarly, when you click on this drop down, you can find the many other currencies option, like for example Singapore, Australia, and dollar symbol. Many symbol, Spanish, Euro, Spain. So this is how Japanese. You can convert all these currencies and make a number in these currency format by choosing this symbol option from here. You will see this, and by the end of this video with a good example. Accounting, when I click on accounting, it is similar like we have seen in this general option, same as. Now we have some options like which is date format. So in date format we have like in starting DD, it's date, then month, then year. Next one is date, month, name, then year. Again date, month, year. Date, month, half year means that last 2 digits of the year. So these are the multiple formats you can try one by one. Here I have written some of the examples below. For example, this is my dates which I have taken with the formula. We will see this formula later. And I have written the format of these particular dates. As you can see, this format is DD, MM, YY, YY, means that the date of the month, then the month, number, and the year. Next, year, month, date. After that, month, date, year. Now I take an example. The same date we take here, like 25 05 2022, and I click here, enter. Now it is in date format. When I click here, also you can select these options by select this cell, right click and format cell, this option. When I click here, the same window will pop up which was earlier popping up by clicking here. So I choose the date format, and for example I want this to be in this format, like first week name, then month, then year. And I click here and click OK. Now you can see, you increase it because it has the little space. Now it has the perfect space, so it is coming like Wednesday 25th May 2022. So this is how these are the date format options, and many options are available here. You can try them, practice them. These are the same as I am choosing, nothing different. Similarly for time, we have these many options like PM, AM, whatever format you want as per your requirement. Percentage we have already covered. In this percentage we can also choose the decimal, up to what decimal you want that particular percentage, like up to 2 decimal or 3 decimal, whatever it is. Similar for fraction and text and spatial. Now we have some custom options. If you want to make your own format, you can make by choosing these custom options. Suppose I want this date to be in, for example I format and right click and format this cell and choose custom. What I want is, you can see you got the options to edit from here. What I want this to be in YY, YY, then hyphen, or you can say without hyphen MM, and I hit OK. You can see I got this format 2020-22-05, means that the year month combination which is here. So this is how you can also make your own custom formats. Character format we have already seen in this text form, and you can design, bold, a kind of font styling we can say. Now next I have this data for this example, but I want to decorate, or you can say the format this particular data. Firstly I choose the border, all borders, background color, and the text in white so that it Good. Now this is the sales, means that it is an amount, sale amount. What I want is, I want this amount to be in dollar format. So to do so, I select the column by clicking here in middle and right click and choose the option format cell, and I click here, and you can see in the currency I am going to convert this amount into the Australian dollar. When I click here and click OK, you can see it has converted now into the dollar. You can see a dollar symbol in starting. Also what I want is, I don't want these decimal values. So what I can do, I click here one more time and you can see I get the flat value, no decimal value I have. Already seen how we can convert these numbers into percentages. So this is how all formatting works. Definitely we will see some magical examples. This is just an introduction and the concept clearance about the formatting, but when we will be in this fun with Excel sheet, definitely we are going to do some magic things after learning all these basic concepts. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.